As always, a person will always have a contact with a learned scholar or their local imam who can further elucidate and clear and explain what they mean by Sunni Muslim. But we all know, a lot of us, we say we are a Sunni Muslim, even if you are a Shafi'i, even if you are a Hanafi, Maliki or Hanbali, a person would always say that I'm a Sunni Muslim. And this is a very broad term, together with Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. They say, if I just show it to you, they say, Huwa inda Ahlil Hadith. So here they are talking about a terminology, a category in Usul al-Hadith called Musnad. In other commentaries of the Quran, it is mentioned that these faces that will be dark will also be the innovators, will also be the innovators within the Muslims, those who deviated from the beliefs and fundamental tenets of Islam. Are you on the manhaj? This is what people say. And when they say that are you on manhaj, they actually mean something specific. And if you do not mention that something specific, then also you are in trouble because you're not part of them.